Are you tired of coming back to a dead car battery after your vehicle sits unused for weeks? Most solar trickle chargers either don't provide enough power or drain your battery instead of charging it. Keep watching to discover how these 5 solar trickle chargers can actually keep your battery maintained without the common issues that plague cheaper alternatives. Make sure to check the description for links to all products mentioned. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, this 12-watt unit from Sooner Power brings some interesting technology to the table. It features their ultra-smart MPPT technology that claims up to 99% tracking efficiency, which sounds impressive on paper. And the 3-stage charging algorithm does help protect your battery from overcharging damage. Actually, what stands out most is the comprehensive safety protection system. You get protection against overcharge, over-discharge, short circuits, and reverse polarity. Basically everything that could go wrong. If you're someone who worries about leaving charging equipment connected, this automatic system stops charging when your battery is full and resumes when needed. The waterproof design handles harsh weather conditions well, which is essential since this will be mounted outside. Customers consistently mention how easy it is to set up, taking about 5 minutes with the plug-and-play cables. Because the mounting system uses suction cups, you can position it anywhere on your windshield or dashboard. However, here's where it gets tricky. While some users report it works even in lower light conditions, others mention it doesn't provide enough charging power for their needs. The blinking light indicator also receives criticism, with several customers reporting the red light malfunctions frequently. Things to consider. The 12-watt output might be insufficient for larger batteries or vehicles that drain power quickly. Also, if you rely heavily on the status light for monitoring, the reported light issues could be frustrating. Moving on to number 4, the eco-worthy 10-watt charger takes a simpler approach that actually works in its favor. This monocrystalline panel focuses on basic trickle charging without overcomplicating things. It includes a built-in blocking diode that prevents reverse charging at night, so you don't wake up to a drained battery. And the installation process is straightforward. You can either plug it into your cigarette lighter or connect directly to battery terminals with the included alligator clips. The frosted surface eliminates the need for protective film, which is one less thing to worry about. If you own an older vehicle, this charger seems to perform well. One customer mentioned it works perfectly for their 2005 Silverado, keeping the battery maintained during storage periods. Actually, the build quality appears solid for the price point, and it's designed to work even on cloudy days. But here's the reality check. The 10-watt output is quite limited. Some customers report mixed results with battery performance, with a few mentioning the panel actually drained their batteries instead of charging them. The charging speed is notably slow, which might not work if you need quick battery recovery. Absolutely, the size becomes an issue for larger vehicles or batteries with higher power demands. I do appreciate that it's affordable, but some customers question whether it provides sufficient value given its limitations. Things to consider. The low wattage makes this suitable only for small batteries or maintenance charging. If your vehicle has significant parasitic drain, this charger might not keep up. At number 3, Energise offers a 15-watt solution that tries to hit the sweet spot between power and affordability. This unit also features smart MPPT technology with claimed 99% tracking efficiency and 98% peak conversion efficiency. The 3-stage charging algorithm helps maintain battery health over time. Actually, what's interesting is the wide battery compatibility. It works with gel, AGM, flooded, sealed lead acid, and even LiFePO for lithium batteries. This versatility makes it suitable for various vehicle types and battery technologies. And the IP65 waterproof rating means it can handle serious weather conditions without damage. The build quality uses A+ monocrystalline cells with tempered glass construction, designed to withstand wind pressure up to 2,400 pascals and snow loads up to 5,400 pascals. Because it includes multiple connection options, setup remains plug-and-play simple. However, customer feedback reveals some concerning patterns. While some users report it works well on boats and keeps batteries topped off, others experience the opposite, complete battery drain to zero. This inconsistent performance suggests potential quality control issues. If you're considering this option, the suction cup mounting system receives particular criticism for poor adhesion. Several customers mention difficulty keeping the panel properly positioned, which affects charging efficiency. Things to consider. The inconsistent performance reports are worrying, especially the battery draining issues. The mounting system's reliability problems could lead to positioning challenges that reduce effectiveness. Taking the number 2 spot, SOLPERK steps up the power game significantly with their 30-watt panel and upgraded 10A MPPT controller. This controller provides over 30% additional power compared to standard controllers, which translates to faster charging times. And the fully waterproof controller can be completely submerged, offering serious weather protection. What sets this apart is the 360-degree adjustable bracket system. You can mount it on the ground, wall, or roof and easily adjust for optimal sunlight exposure throughout the day. Actually, the 4-corner edge protection prevents scratches and damage during installation and use. The advanced monocrystalline silicon achieves 30% cell efficiency, and the panel is rated for a 25-year lifespan. Because it uses low-iron tempered glass with a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame, it handles extreme weather including sandstorms, high winds, and hail up to 2,400 pascals wind pressure and 5,400 pascals snow loads. The LED indicator system is helpful. Blue light shows controller connection, red indicates charging, and green means fully charged. Customers appreciate that it keeps RV batteries fully charged without overcharging and find the mounting bracket heavy-duty and reliable. But here's the significant downside. Multiple customers report charge controller failures. This is particularly frustrating given the controller is the most critical component. Some units also show inconsistent LED performance, with customers reporting no lights functioning at all. Things to consider. Controller reliability issues are a major concern for a product where the controller is crucial. If the controller fails, you're left with just a basic panel without any charging intelligence. Claiming our number 1 position, this 20-watt Sooner power unit represents what we consider the best solar trickle charger for cars currently available. This model incorporates their most advanced ultra-smart MPPT technology, delivering the same 99% tracking efficiency and 98% peak conversion efficiency as their smaller unit, but with significantly more power output. And the build quality is where this unit truly excels. Premium-grade A+ solar cells achieve 21 to 30% efficiency, housed in tempered solar glass with a corrosion-resistant frame. It withstands wind pressure up to 2,400 pascals and snow loads up to 5,400 pascals, making it suitable for any climate. Actually, the comprehensive safety system includes protection against overcharge, overdischarge, overvoltage, overcurrent, overload, short circuit, reverse polarity, and overtemperature. The improved 3-stage charging algorithm bulk charges, absorbs, and floats to maximize battery life while preventing damage. Because it's compatible with virtually every 12-volt battery type, flooded, gel, AGM, SLA, maintenance-free, and Leaf APO for lithium. This works with cars, boats, RVs, motorcycles, tractors, and ATVs. Customers consistently report it keeps batteries fully charged with minimal effort, even performing on cloudy days. However, you should know that some customers experience charging issues where the unit doesn't charge at all. Additionally, the LED display receives mixed feedback, with several users reporting problems with the flashing green light functionality. Things to consider. While generally reliable, some units may have charging failures that could leave you without the protection you're counting on. The LED indicator issues might make monitoring more difficult. That covers our top 5 solar trickle chargers for keeping your vehicle battery maintained and ready. If this helped you choose the right charger, hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive gear reviews.